So hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lexus Michelle, and in today's video I am going to be showing y'all how I achieve this look right here. Yes y'all, I made sure I reinstalled one of my old and favorite wigs. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, make sure you guys continue to watch this video. Make sure you guys don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up this video. But let's go ahead, let's get into it, and that's on period. So y'all, I got everything that I'm going to be using for this wig install. And this right here is the best thing I end up buying. Y'all, this is 6. I bought 6 of these in one pack. I think it was like $3. Baby, I am loving it, okay? Like, I cannot miss with this. But the only thing is, when it comes down to this, is that they never have my skin complexion. It's always lighter, so I have to add some type of makeup. But this time I normally use like my powder, but I saw people on TikTok using foundation, so I'm going to use my Julia's Place foundation. And I have this makeup sponge brush that I'm going to be using to apply the makeup on there. And hopefully it comes out, well, I'm gonna skip the step. Hopefully it comes out to my liking. I think it will though. We're gonna try different methods. I'm not scared to try no methods. But I'm gonna put this around my edges. So now that my cap is most definitely dry, I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting it. Hopefully, oh, okay, hair scissors is coming through. Okay, let me stop playing. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna try the foundation. I'm so scared. Let me just put a little bit on, just a little bit, just a little dot. I'm just do a little dot. Okay, so the foundation is most definitely giving blend. Y'all see this? using is going to be the Bond Hold. Is this one, if it could focus. It's the Bond Hold, y'all. And I honestly, me personally, I like Ghost Bond better. For multiple reasons, I like Ghost Bond better, but to everybody it might be different. Bond Hold is not it. And I also had the Extreme Adhesive one, I think it is, or Extra Adhesive. I hope I'm saying that word right. But I had that one, and that one wasn't it. It wasn't it. So Ghost Bond is most definitely better than me, but this is what I got, so we gonna use it. I know I told y'all that this is a 30-inch wig, but I don't think I told y'all what kind of wig it is. So it is a frontal wig. So this right here is lace, and then this right here got the clip-ins. So it's really to apply. I feel like a 360 lace is really, how can I say it? I feel like a 360 lace is really like a waste of time unless you get like a lace ponytail. I mean, yeah, what is it? A lace ponytail? Wig frontal ponytail? Well, anyway though, if you get in the ponytail, I feel like it is best to get a 360. But if you're not getting like a frontal ponytail, the Kim K ponytail, a high ponytail, I just feel like a 360 lace is a waste of time and it's a waste of money. But that's just me personally. That's what I think. I ain't trying to say, you know, it's that, but it ain't all that either. Yeah, I really like love this hair. Like, I really love this hair. I don't know how I'm gonna style it just yet. Like, I don't know. Okay, so now it's time for me to cut this off. So my wig is on. Right here is I'm braiding myself down the two braids that I want. At first I was gonna do twists, but I was like, I really don't know, so I end up just going with the braids. So all I did was just part my hair down the middle and then part on the two sides to make the braids. So it basically was really easy, y'all. When it comes down to braiding and how big you want your braid to be, it all depends on you. how my hair came out. What y'all think? Yeah, I really love this hair on me. Like, this hair is so freaking cute. Like, I really love this hair on me. But what y'all think? Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. But make sure you guys like, comment if you guys are new to my channel. Make sure you guys go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Comment down below what y'all want to see from me next. No nail video, y'all. No nail video. I need a break. I need a break from the nail videos. But comment down below what y'all want to see from me next. And I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.